Okay, here we have Algebra 10.3, the special products of polynomials. And this one is just, I want you to recognize that there's a pattern that you encounter with certain polynomials. There's actually those green box in the special products of polynomials that talks about a plus b times a minus b gives you a certain weird number. Just look at let's just look at this pattern right here. If we were to do FOIL on this, we'd have, oops, I'm dragging the wrong thing. I gotta go to here, get a pen. I'm going to do FOIL, which gives me x squared negative 2x plus 2x, and it's negative 4. So if you look at the middle numbers, these cancel out because it becomes 0 and gives you x minus 4. X squared minus 4. This always seems to happen if the only difference between the first number and the second number is that if the variable and the constant are the same in both or with opposite symbols for addition and subtraction, you'll always get a polynomial that looks like this. Let me give you another one. 9x, minus, let me erase this. And back here, minus 9. You'll end up with x squared plus 9x minus 9x minus 81 gives you x squared minus 81. Same pattern. That is the pattern they want you to recognize in the book. And that's an important pattern because it actually helps you solve problems in the future later on in this unit. And a lot of students skip this section real quickly. But the patterns actually help you solve the harder problems later on, which trip up students. This is an interesting case. If you look at this one, the pattern becomes, and I like to say this squared, which gives me, oops, let me get that pen over here, x squared. This one squared, which is plus 25. And then you just times that by 2, x, which is 10. X. Now let me prove this using FOIL over here. And 5. Right. Let's go. X squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25, which gives me 2x. Gives me x squared plus 10x plus 25. Same thing I did by just knowing what the pattern already had. I just had it done right there. So just look at that for a second, see if you can see it, use the book to figure out those patterns. And this one is also similar to the one above where the plus, except this one is negative. And as you can imagine, this one's going to give you a negative number. So let's first do this. Let's go x minus 6 times x minus 6, which gives me an x squared, gives me a negative 6x, gives me a negative 6x, gives me a positive 36, which gives me x squared minus 12x plus 36. Or you could have just squared that, and then multiplied that one times 2, and that's a negative 6 times 2 is a negative 12, and you would have gotten the same answer. So this squared, x squared, positive 36, and 12x. And there's your answer. Sorry, and this is a negative because the negative, a positive 2x and a negative 6 is a negative 12. Easy peasy. If you just get the pattern, and that's really it with this unit, looking at those patterns and playing with those patterns. Good luck.